Today we're talking about grocery shopping and learning common food names in easy English.
Hey, Xavier. It's nice to see you here. Are you going grocery shopping?
Hi, Kiara. Yes, I am. I usually shop for groceries every weekend. What about you?
Me too. I like to buy fresh food for the week. Today, I need to buy vegetables, fruits, and some basic food items.
That sounds like a good plan. Grocery shopping is also a great way to learn common food names in English.
Exactly. Sometimes when I go to the store, I try to read the names of different foods in English.
That's a great learning method. So, what vegetables do you usually buy?
Well, I often buy carrots, tomatoes, onions, and potatoes. They are very common and easy to cook.
Yes, those are very popular vegetables. I also buy broccoli, cabbage, and cucumbers.
Cucumbers are great for salads.
Absolutely. Do you cook often at home?
Yes, I try to cook most of my meals. It's healthier and usually cheaper than eating at restaurants.
I agree. Cooking at home helps you control what you eat.
What about fruits? What fruits do you like to buy?
I usually buy bananas, apples, and oranges because they are easy to eat and very healthy.
Those are good choices. I also like mangoes and grapes when they are in season.
Mangoes are delicious. They are sweet and juicy.
Yes, and grapes are easy snacks. You can just wash them and eat them.
That's true. Do you make a shopping list before going to the grocery store?
Yes, I always do. It helps me remember what I need to buy.
That's smart. Sometimes I forget things if I don't make a list.
My list today includes rice, eggs, milk, bread, and chicken.
Those are very common grocery items.
Yes, they are basic foods in many households.
I also need to buy eggs and milk today. I use them almost every day.
Eggs are very versatile. You can fry them, boil them, or scramble them.
Exactly. They are also a good source of protein.
Do you usually buy meat or fish as well?
Yes, sometimes I buy chicken, beef, or fish, depending on what I want to cook.
Fish is very healthy.
Yes, especially when it is fresh.
Another thing I often buy is cheese and yogurt.
Yogurt is great for breakfast.
Yes, I usually eat yogurt with fruit in the morning.
That sounds like a healthy breakfast.
Do you also buy snacks when you go grocery shopping?
Sometimes I do. I might buy cookies, chips, or chocolate.
I try not to buy too many snacks, but sometimes I buy ice cream.
Ice cream is hard to resist.
Yes, especially on hot days.
When you are inside the grocery store, how do you usually find the items you need?
I usually go to different sections like the produce section, the dairy section, and the meat section.
That's a good strategy.
The produce section is where you find fruits and vegetables.
And the dairy section usually has milk, cheese, and yogurt.
Exactly. Then the bakery section sells fresh bread and pastries.
I love the smell of fresh bread in the bakery section.
Me too. It always makes me hungry.
Another important part of grocery shopping is checking the price.
Yes, I always compare prices before buying something.
Sometimes there are special discounts or sales.
That's a good way to save money.
Do you prefer large supermarkets or small local markets?
I like both. Supermarkets have more choices, but local markets often have fresher vegetables.
That's true. Local markets also feel more friendly,
Yes, sometimes you can even talk with the sellers.
and you can practice English by asking questions.
For example, you can say, "How much are these apples?"
Or, do you have fresh tomatoes today?
Exactly. These are simple and useful phrases.
Grocery shopping can be a great way to learn everyday English vocabulary,
Yes, because food names are part of daily life.
and everyone needs to buy food regularly.
That's why learning food vocabulary is very helpful.
After you finish shopping, what do you usually do?
I go home and put the food in the refrigerator.
Then you prepare your meals for the week?
Yes, sometimes I cook a few dishes in advance.
That saves time during busy days.
Exactly.
Well, it looks like we both have a lot of grocery shopping to do today.
Yes, I should probably go inside the store now.
Me too. I hope you find everything on your list.
Thank you. I hope your shopping goes well too.
Maybe next time we can cook something together.
That sounds like a great idea.
All right, see you later.
See you. Happy grocery shopping.